So yeah, I woke up this morning and a little parcel came through the door. Basically, I opened it and here's what I received. It is a little metal tin. It comes in this bright red colour tone and it's got the YouTube logo up on the lid. Now when we open this little metal case, look what we get inside. Look at that. We've got some wonderful limited edition YouTube branded M&M sweets. Yummy, yummy for my tummy. So yeah, it's got the YouTube logo upon them. They come in red and white. They taste real nice. I'm not going to eat too much though, because I think I'm going to send these to my kids 200 miles away. And hopefully, you know what, I really hope I make them proud. So this is going to be a nice surprise for them. And in fact, one day when I reach that 100,000 subscriber mark, when I finally get that YouTube plaque, I'm going to be sending it to them. And basically I want to show them that anything can be achievable. After all, I wasn't meant to do YouTube. They actually dared me to just reach 1,000 subscribers. So now we're at 20,000k. And yeah, we can't wait to reach that 100k mark. But yeah, alongside this package, we did in fact get the High Five YouTube partner greeting card. It says, "Sweet Victory partner, you've managed to get your hands on some very special YouTube M&Ms and a keep safe tin to share all of your next big ideas." To tell you the truth, I need a bigger tin because I've got so many ideas floating around my head just now. I need a bigger tin than that, guys. But yeah, it's to share all of your next big ideas. A special thank you from all of your friends at YouTube for all the hard work as a YouTube partner. You know what, guys? This actually did hit me this morning because there's a lot of day jobs out there that don't appreciate the workers. No matter if you've worked in a care job, retail, don't really appreciate the workers these days. And considering that I got this today, it made me feel like I need to power on this channel. So yes, these M&Ms, they're going to be making their way down to my kids. And I just want to quickly thank YouTube. And basically, I can't wait to see what's next. I mean, I do follow a gaming channel called Corey Extension. I have watched him in the past receive massive parcels from YouTube. And it did actually feel exciting when I was watching his channel when I was only at 1,000 subscribers. So now I'm at 20k. Can't wait to see what's next. And this is what happens when you grow even more day by day, without cheating, without going onto one of these websites that gains you subscribers for money. Nope. It's a natural flowing audience, and every single bit of work has been put into all of our videos to make sure that we go further on. And you know what? Hopefully we'll get there very soon. So with your help, guys, please subscribe to this channel just now. Actually, like this video and share it wherever possible. The more likes it get, the more times YouTube will share it across its platform. And like I just mentioned, subscribe to this channel, and every single person that follows us is very much appreciated. So yes, thank you guys. And without you guys, I wouldn't have actually got this little small tin of M&Ms. I know it's a small package, but what they say is big things come in small packages. And I think that the gesture is worth more than the M&Ms itself. So thank you, YouTube. And I very much appreciate it. Catch you guys in a bit. Peace.